when it comes to the doors, you're going to get a warranty card. And on the back of the warranty card, there's going to be a care and maintenance section. And, you know, we have to be cautious, because if we tell somebody to clean it this way and we tell it to 10 people, they're all going to do it a little bit different. So we're going to simply say a mild soap and water, and some type of a light, maybe even a micro fiber, or some type of, if you are cleaning your vehicle with a cloth, that type of a cloth. At the end of the day, there's no special maintenance or anything that has to get done, other than once in a while, you know, wash it off. You know, don't use a power sprayer type thing. And then again, sometimes a nice non-abrasive wax or car type polish, some Armor All, could also be a nice benefit, because it's keeping the UV off of your dash on your car. It also could reduce the amount of UV on your door as well. And so I like to say, squirt that on a rag, then wipe it on. If you squirt it directly on the door, you're gonna have a spot of that, and then, you know, the other area won't. So that's another little pro tip for you.